There's a crazy new trend taking over YouTube right now. You've probably seen these videos, Vox-Style documentary animations with those detailed papercut visuals, cinematic movements, and storytelling that somehow keeps you glued to the screen, and they're getting some seriously impressive numbers. How are people actually making these? I went through YouTube looking for a simple tutorial that could show me how to create this style from scratch. But most of what I found was either extremely complicated, required coding tools like Claude Code, or relied on expensive AI and editing software. And if you're a beginner, most of those workflows are honestly overwhelming. So I decided to do the research myself. I tested different AI tools, different workflows, and different ways of creating and animating these papercut visuals. And I found a workflow that lets you create this entire style of video without paying for expensive software. Before starting the video, check out this video which I have made.
Quantum computers don't replace your laptop because they solve completely different kinds of problems. Today's computers store information as bits that can only be 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits instead of ordinary bits. Unlike bits, qubits can exist in multiple possible states at the same time.
So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the complete process from start to finish. We'll go from a simple idea to the script, then turn that script into a visual storyboard, generate the papercut artwork, animate those visuals, create the voiceover, and finally bring everything together into a polished documentary-style video. And the best part? You don't need to be an animator, a designer, or a professional video editor to follow along. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and how you can recreate the same workflow yourself. So, let's start from the very beginning. Step 1. Open ChatGPT, copy the prompt that I've provided in the description, paste the prompt inside ChatGPT, and click Enter. Next, we have different topics to make the video on, such as history, space, nature, and more. Choose your topic by entering the corresponding number. You can also type in your own niche and topic if you want. For this demonstration, we'll choose option 6 and click Enter. Now, we need to select the length of the video according to the type of video we want to create. For this demonstration, let's select 60 seconds. You can also enter a custom length if you need one, and then click Enter. ChatGPT will now create a storyboard script for us, scene by scene, including the visuals. Next, type Next and click Enter. Now, it will create prompts for generating the images. You'll get a separate prompt for each image in the storyboard. In this case, we have around 30 images. Now, copy the prompts and open Google Flow. You can check the link in the description and create a new project. After creating new project, we need to make sure that agent mode should be on initially. We should enable agent mode to generate multiple images at a time. Adjust the settings according to your requirements. If you're creating a long-form video, select 16 to 9. If you're creating a short-form video, select 9 to 16. Paste the prompt and click Save, then hit Enter. It will start generating all 30 images at once. Please note that this process may take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to complete. And there we go. All 30 images have been generated. Now, go back to ChatGPT and type Next and hit Enter. This will give you a universal prompt for animating the images. Go ahead and copy the prompt, then move back to Google Flow and paste the prompt. Now, we need to turn off agent mode. Then, drag the first image into the chat and hit Enter. Adjust the settings according to your type of video. Select 6 seconds. This will start creating the first video. Once the video has been generated completely, check the result. Now, take a quick pause here. You'll need around 15 credits to generate a single video in Google Flow. But don't worry, I'll show you a completely free method to get 1,000 credits. As you can see, I've already redeemed my 1,000 credits here. If you want me to make a separate video showing you exactly how to get these credits for free, comment credits down below, and I'll make a tutorial on it. If everything looks good, go ahead and start generating the videos for all the remaining images in the same way. After completing this process, we should have all the 30 animated videos for all the 30 images. As you can see, we've now generated all the videos. Start downloading the videos one by one. Try to download the videos in 1080p. Next, go back to ChatGPT and type "next" for the voiceover script. It will give you the complete voiceover script. Copy the script, open 11 Labs, and log in with your account. 11 Labs will give you a free 11,000 credits through which you can generate the voiceover. Paste the voiceover script. You can select any free voice you like, then click the Generate Voice button and download the audio. Now, move on to your favorite video editor. Here, I'm using Microsoft Clipchamp. Import all the video clips that we downloaded previously, along with the voiceover audio. Drag all the videos and voiceover into the middle, and then align the voiceover with the visuals on the timeline. And that's it. We've completed the video. Go ahead and render the video, export it, and upload it to your YouTube channel. With this workflow, you can create complete documentary-style videos using AI without needing complicated animation software or advanced editing skills. Check out this video after rendering
because they solve completely different kinds of problems. Today's computers store information as bits that can only be 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits instead of ordinary bits. Unlike bits, qubits can exist in multiple possible states.
And that's it. You now know how to take a simple idea and turn it into a complete visual story using AI. We started by choosing a topic, turned it into a structured script and storyboard, and then transformed those ideas into detailed visuals ready to be animated. And this is just the beginning. From here, you can animate those visuals, add your voiceover, and bring everything together into a finished video. If you found this workflow useful, let me know what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching MindBot TV, Tech Made Simple. Subscribe for more AI and tech explainers.